bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah nah nah.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today I have a video for you that I am so excited about. It is a new wig from Bobbi Boss. I'm super excited to show it to you guys because it looks so beautiful in the box. So if you want to learn more about this new unit, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications by hitting that little bell, and click all so you get all the notifications about when I go live, when I post new videos, and when I post content on this channel. This is the new wig. This is Miss STARLA, and I have her in the color number 4, which is one of my favorite colors to have in a wig. I love the color number 4. Of course, I love this yellow color as well. I've worn yellow hair before, so it was like, ooh, yellow. But I definitely wanted to try it in the number 4 because it's one of my favorite colors. So let's go ahead and pop her open. Oh, let me give y'all the details. So it's a 13x7, which means that it's like a ridiculous amount of parting space, and an extended lace frontal, and it's their secret lace collection, which is a natural custom plucked hairline wig series. So it's going to have the perfect glueless install. It's going to be pre-plucked with a natural hairline, flawless free parting, baby hairs are added, and it's a flex fit cap for secure comfort. All right, you guys, so let us see Miss STARLA. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. That is Miss STARLA, fresh out the box, y'all. It's got that new car smell. I had to see for myself. Okay. Ooh, come on now. All right. Uh-oh, this is getting stuck in my Pandora. This always happens to me, you guys. My wigs always, the wig caps always get stuck in my Pandora. It was just Christmas time and I got a new Pandora for my chain. Do you guys have Pandoras? I love Pandoras. It makes gift giving so easy. Anybody that knows me is like, ooh, I'm gonna just get her a Pandora, and each one means something, and you can remember like who gave it to you and why they gave it to you, and they tell you like, oh, it means this, it means that. I just love Pandoras. I think it's a great idea. So yeah, this is it. These are the colors that it comes in. Really cute. Let's take a look at the cap construction. The hairline, y'all, banging, banging. Baby hairs. Parting space, so much parting space. Like, look at this wig, y'all. So much parting space. Yes, Bobbi Boss. Comb in the front, in the back. Let's see, do we have combs at the top? Combs at the top. And no elastic band inside, but we do have the 2 adjustable straps. We have the stocking cap, cap structure. And it looks like a lot of pretty waves. It's definitely a light yaki. This might even just be straight up yaki. Maybe not even light. And it feels very, very full. Like putting this into a ponytail, like you got a lot of hair. That would be a thick ponytail. So you definitely get a lot of hair on this unit. And yeah, I'm loving it. The lace is dark, you guys. The lace is dark. It's darker than my skin. Which is, yeah. So just keep that in mind if you're fairer skinned. The lace is very dark. So we won't need any lace tint, but look at that hairline. Oh my gosh, that hairline is everything. Okay, so I am going to take this unit off. If you like this unit, this one is from Janet. This one is the Amani, and I do have a review up on her, so I'll either link it up here so you can click there and check it out, or in the information box, although I rarely ever put it in the information box, you guys. I gotta get better at that. And yeah, I'm gonna take this off and pop this one on. is the wig. Now, what I will say, Bobbi Boss, they know how to curl some wigs. Like, Bobbi Boss, you're going to get the best, like, bang swoops and curls and, like, that effortless. Like, I don't really care. I just put a couple curls in my hair, type of curls with Bobbi Boss. But you know, if you tried to do it yourself, like, it would take hours. They are bomb at that type of curl look. Okay, I'm getting a couple snags here. Hold on. Let me get my brush and actually brush it out and see what happens instead of just combing it out. So I'm getting a couple strands, but that could be due to the way I cut the wig, cut the lace off, but I'm getting like longer strands, and I know I didn't cut any lace where the hair is longer. So it is shedding a little bit. I love the curls on this. Now, since I already have my baby hairs out, I'm just going to lay a couple of the baby hairs down that are here. Just lay them like right over top of the baby hairs that I already took out. Just because they're there. You don't have to do this, obviously. I'm gonna put some to the back. Because it is a lot of baby hairs that they provide you with on this wig. And you definitely don't need all of them. So you can just use your edge control to just push some of the baby hairs back. And then you can choose which ones you want to pull forward. Now this hairline, you guys, life. Like, it's really life. This hairline is everything. It's definitely everything. Like, I love this hairline. I was saying before, the lace is a little dark, but it works. Now you want to figure out like what you want to do in terms of your part. You can leave your part in the center. A middle part is cute, but I don't think this wig is really going to be at its full potential with a middle part. It's a lot of baby hairs, y'all, so you're gonna have to figure out what you want to do with the baby hairs that you're not using. I mean, I guess you could pluck them out, but I think the most logical thing to do is like hairspray them down, because the baby hairs are a lot. I'm gonna try a side part since we have so much parting space. You just have so much space to work with. I'm gonna try a side part. Now remember, when you change the part, you're gonna have to like remold the baby hairs and do all that. You have to lay down the wig again. I'm getting some snags, you guys. This wig is cute. I kind of wish she had like a bang. Does she have a bang on here? No, she doesn't have a bang on here. Okay. I was like, I kind of wish she had a bang. But it's definitely pretty without a bang. This is beautiful. I can see you wearing this wig to like a wedding guest wig. She's very chic. I wouldn't say she's fancy, maybe just because she's long, but she's very chic. Cute. Hey, so I just want to jump on with a voiceover real quick and let you guys know I decided to try the other side part. Since I showed you guys the middle part and the left side part, I wanted to show you the right side part. So this is me just styling that Overall, love this wig. Overall, would totally suggest it and recommend it. I think she's absolutely beautiful. If I was to change anything about the wig, is maybe just a few less baby hairs, but you can honestly work with those, and maybe add a bang, but I kind of like it without it. So I don't know, you guys. Tell me your thoughts on this Bobbi Boss unit. I'll leave a link down below where you can go ahead and grab her. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. Turn on your notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl. And make sure you're following me on all my social media where I post every single day. On Instagram at Jess the Dragoness with 3 S's at the end. And over on Facebook, Jess the Dragoness with 2 S's. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.